Now, if you do the dumb or the fun stuff we do, at some point you can get yourself in a predicament. It's always a good idea to have a decent amount of recovery gear, including but not limited to winch, snatch blocks, tree savers, soft shackles, kinetic rope, D-rings, and toe straps. It's good basics to have. Now, depending on your setup and terrain, other items may be important like a hatchet, shovel, traction boards, etc. So definitely do your research, especially the more solo or remote areas you go. Now, I'm very good at angles and getting creative on a recovery. One thing we kept coming back to is what would be the best setup if you could winch your machine from all four corners and maybe even have it to where the winch was mobile and it could be anchored to a tree and carry a battery if you needed to help someone else but couldn't get the machine close enough. Now, 4 winches would be expensive, bulky, and likely to have clearance issues permanently mounting winches on the side. Now, we don't always call Jason the smart one, but his final product is clever enough. I'll be doing something similar on whatever 4-seater I end up getting myself. Alright, so this is a brainchild that me and Jason have talked about, but he actually did. Alright, Jason, what we got?
So what we got a 6,000-pound winch mounted on a receiver hitch. Quick connect, goes to the center of the machine.
I'll show that real quick. That
Down beside the...
So that's 12 volt, big enough that it can run the winch, and we used it multiple times this trip.
So you can plug it in. It's got the leads. Got receiver hitches mounted on each side. Got one on the front and one on the rear. So you can winch pretty much any direction you want to.
So when you come up on that hill spot and you like this and you need to get your butt in over, he can literally winch and pull, or if you're helping friends out, you throw a snatch block and you got a winch that can do anything about any angle you need to. But
store it in the bed for easy access. Actually winched from there several times.
And he's basically got it all rolled together right here, so wherever he puts it, he's got just enough reach to put it in there. And then where's the winch control? It's on this, ain't it?
You've got your actual button mounted where when you plug it up, it's right at your seat. And then of course you got your remote.
And it's remote too, so he can do it inside, outside. The button's for the inside, remote if you're outside having to work it while you're doing it, but it worked pretty good. Now this trip, the winch got thoroughly tested multiple ways. Now, even right out the gate, he used it to winch the sides up, made it really easy and convenient to change tires that way. Now, if you do like this type of content that you've seen in the beginning, hit the like, share, and subscribe. I've posted more of my West Coast stuff than my East Coast stuff. I grew up on the East Coast, so some of this stuff I've ran 2 and 3 times over on even four-wheelers and stuff like that. Now this trip I should have at least a few good videos hopefully of some double black diamond stuff that we did. If you do like it, hit the like button, sound off in the comments so I know that it is videos that y'all want to see. Until the next adventure, hope you have a good one.